Hello guys, welcome back to another video of my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So today's topic is HTTP and versus HTTPS. So why it is important and why am I talking about this? I'll be showing with respect to HTTP and HTTPS man in the middle attack. So it will help you understand these questions. Okay. So for a theory part, so what is HTTP? So HTTP is a protocol which allows the fetching of resources such as HTML documents. It is a foundation of any data exchange of the web, and it is a client server protocol. Okay. So what this means is that whenever you make a request on the internet, it makes an HTTP request to a web server or a video server or a ad server, and you get a video web content or an ad as an HTTP response. Okay, HTTP stands for hypertext transmission protocol. So the only main issue with this is it's not secure. So if you are browsing any websites over an HTTP, anyone with a good hacking skills can perform a man in the middle attack and get your usernames and password without any issues. Okay. So to resolve this issue, HTTPS was created. So hypertext transmission protocol secure uh, is a secure version of HTTP, which is a primary protocol used to send data between web browsers and websites. HTTPS is encrypted in order to increase the security of data transfer. So, as I said, HTTP was completely vulnerable for man in the middle attack. So, to resolve this issue, HTTPS was created. So, nowadays, most of the websites are HTTPS. So, but some government sites and other websites are still at using HTTP protocols, which makes them more vulnerable for low level attacks that can be very destructive for their situations. Okay. So uh, to understand that, we'll be performing a man in the middle attack. So just a brief about man in the middle attack. So in this attack, so this is an innocent web browser that makes a connection and browses over a web server. So this will be me and man in the middle attacker, which will be intercepting this uh, connection. And what will happen is that whenever the innocent web server will make a request, that request will go through my Kali machine, and my Kali machine will forward it to the web server, and whatever response I get from the web server, it will first pass on to my Kali machine, and next my Kali machine will forward it to the innocent web server. So for the web server, he she will think that she is communicating with directly with the internet, but I am intercepting their connections. Okay. So in this scenario, the innocent web server will be my virtual Windows system. Web server will be the internet, and man in the middle attack will be done from Kali Linux. So since Kali Linux take a lot of time for uh, performing a man in the middle attack, I have already done a man in the middle attack for my Windows machine. So this is a web page where most of the hackers use to test out their hacking abilities. So this is a login vulnerable web page. You can check it uses HTTP. So there is a warning like be careful, your data is not encrypted and all. So these kind of things I am talking about. So let's just say you find this some HTTP login site on the browser, and you log in. Let's just say I'm typing admin, and 123 is my password. Okay. So says login, so nothing happens. Okay. But if we go to our Kali Linux, uh, we can find out that our Kali Linux has intercepted something, and it found that there is a form was filled, and it gave a username as admin and password as 123. Okay, it's this simple to perform a man in the middle attack with an HTTP connection. So there we also can perform man in the middle attack with HTTPS connection. They are a bit complicated, so in the next video I'll be showing how to perform a man in the middle attack with respect to HTTPS. If you want to check that out, please like this video and share with your friends. That's it for today. Thank you.